Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable the login with password option in Line Messenger app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you do so, go to Home, which is on the left bottom corner, and click on the settings or the gear icon on the top right hand corner of your screen. After you do that, click on Account. Now, you can scroll a bit down and you can see login with password. For security, we recommend disabling login with password. You can still log in other ways if the setting is off. So if you want to enable the login with password option, you can enable this button, and every time you try to log in, you can easily log into your Line account using your password. So if you directly log in using the Google account, it will still ask you the password. So if you have set up your password and remember it, just go ahead and enable this function. Let me show this process to you once again. Click on Line, go to Home, click on Settings and go to Account. After that, scroll a bit down and find Login with Password and enable this button. So I hope this video about how you can enable the login with password option in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.